Hello friends, the day for which we have prepared for so long is here. This is the day of our UPSC prelims 2025. The destiny has been written for you. As I said, all the stars are aligned. It is just the matter of fact now that are you ready? The destiny is ready for you. Are you ready? Remember my friends, 10 years down the line, you will remember this day and you will have a smile. You will remember the butterflies in the stomach which you had on this day. How prelims preparation was really difficult. But my friends, in life, you have to face bigger challenges which are going to solve the problem of this country. So this is a very small challenge which is going to prepare you for the bigger challenge which awaits you. Now let us go down to the basics कि हम ये prelims को अच्छे से face कर पाए. Implement these points properly. Up till now what you have done is entirely your preparation. Now what is going to happen is your performance. The first point, अभी जितने दिन बचे हैं, every night when you go to sleep you need to do visualization technique. विजुअलाइजेशन में आपको प्रॉपरली 25th मई का दिन विजुअलाइज करना है. कितने बजे आप उठने वाले हो, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू आफ्टर दैट, व्हाट ब्रेकफास्ट यू विल हैव, एट व्हाट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू रीच द सेंटर, आफ्टर रीचिंग द सेंटर, राइट, you are going to sit in the class, how you are going to approach the GS paper, how you are going to fill the OMR, what is going to be your strategy. You remain confident throughout the GS paper. After GS, how you are dealing the gap between GS and CSAT, how you are going to deal with the CSAT paper, right? So everything visualize. जितना तुम visualize करोगे उतना तुमको एग्जाम दिन के लिए फायदा होगा. Why? Because your body would say, it would give the signals that this situation is not new. If this is not a new situation, you will be able to cope up in a very nice manner. Second point, if possible, please आपके हॉल टिकट्स आ चुके हैं, आप ट्राई करो आपका जो सेंटर है उसको विजिट करो. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन केसेस वेयर पीपल हैव रिलाइड ओनली ऑन गूगल मैप्स एंड ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन दे वेंट टू द रॉन्ग प्लेस. सो इफ नॉट पॉसिबल टू विजिट द सेंटर, get a fair idea exactly where is your center, right? It is very very important. If you know the center, if you know the location, we don't want any last minute hiccups. So everything would go according to the plan on the 25th of May. Third and a very important point, many students would be studying in Pune, would be studying in some cities which are known for UPSC preparation, and they would have given center as a different city. This can happen, right? So if your center is in a different city, first of all, do not travel overnight on Saturday. Try to travel, if there is a overnight journey, on Friday itself, so that you can reach the city of your center, relax, get acclimatized, and then you can give your examination on Sunday with complete energy and complete freshness. The fourth point is very important. Please try to sleep at the time so that you can wake up according to your 25th schedule. अगर आपने 25th को प्लान किया है, you are going to wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. right? And if you require 7 hours of sleep, you must sleep at 12 in the night. So please adjust your sleep schedule according to 25th now. The fifth point is going to be, you need to print your hall ticket now. Don't wait for the last day to get your hall tickets printed. Government ID card आपको कैरी करना है. If needed, also keep 1 or 2 passport size photos. अगर कहीं पे कोई दिक्कत आ जाती है तो वो आपका जो सेट है वो प्रॉपरली अभी ही प्रिपेयर करके रखो. Sixth point is a very different point. Please carry a big writing pad. I don't know whether it would be allowed in your examination center or not. If not allowed, you can just keep it outside the examination center. I have seen there are some centers of UPSC where the bench quality, जहाँ पे आप लिखोगे आपका पेपर या OMR sheet fill करोगे, that is not of good quality. So if you have got this big writing pads, okay, so automatically the bench quality does not matter then. So you can carry them, right? If it is allowed, it might be advantageous to you so that आपका जो OMR है वो properly आप fill कर पाओगे, वो कहीं पे फटेगा नहीं. Seventh point is, you can wear analog watches. Don't wear digital watches. Don't wear smart watches. Smart watch and digital watches are not allowed. So wear very simple analog watch to the center so that आपका जो ये time का पूरा प्लानिंग है, you would have a control over the time and then you can plan to solve your paper accordingly. Simple analog जो भी आपका वॉच है वो आप पहनिए. Eighth one is precaution. Most important guideline. Our paper that is first paper, general studies paper, starts sharp at 9:30 a.m. So my friends, you are expected to sit in your class at 9 a.m. You are expected to be in your class. You need to reach your center at least by 8:30 a.m. 9 o'clock, the center might close its gates. So प्लीज मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट आप 8:30 तक आपके सेंटर में पहुंच जाओ. सेंटर में पहुंचने के बाद आप आपका जो रोल नंबर है वो प्रॉपरली चेक करो कि उसी सेंटर में है. देन यू चेक विच क्लासरूम हैज बीन अलोकेटेड टू यू. वंस यू रीच द क्लासरूम बाय 9 AM, प्लीज सी द बेंच पे रोल नंबर लिखा होगा. अगेन आपके हॉल टिकट के साथ क्रॉस वेरीफाई करो कि आप सही रोल नंबर पे बैठे हो ना, क्योंकि there have been cases where students would be sitting on the wrong benches. I have also seen that students would be sitting in the wrong centers. So please don't do this fatal mistake on 25th, right? Have proper precaution. आप ऑफिसर बनने वाले हो, इतना precaution तो आप 100% रख सकते हो. Okay? Also regarding the centers, please plan how are you going to travel there. Uber करने वाले हो, Ola करने वाले हो, you are going to have your private vehicle, whatever it is. So please plan it out properly. Dependency मत रखो. I'll go with my friend, I'll go with somebody. Dependencies, relatives, try to avoid. And if you are dependent upon somebody, make sure that they are really dependable. Okay? The 9th point is properly plan what you're going to have in the breakfast. Take light breakfast, right? Also carry 2 bottles. In one bottle there should be normal water which would keep you hydrated, which is very important. And the second bottle, I would suggest, if it is possible for you, please carry electrolyte solution in the second bottle. Why? Electrolyte would help you for your nerve conduction. उस दिन पे usually we try to have less food and that might affect the salt intake in our body, and if the salt intake in our body is less, then it might affect the brain functioning. So usually, if possible, you just carry in one water bottle electrolyte solution which you can have sip by sip little bit during the exam, before the exam, right? Which would just keep your salts in the body at the optimum level so that you can perform in the examination and your brain performance would be at the optimum level. So this is a very important, you can say, tip which I want to give you. Many of the students also carry chocolates, which is also good, so that your sugar levels are also maintained. But I would prefer electrolytes because salt and sugar is both taken care by one simple thing. The 10th point is, once you reach the center, it is very important that you have that officer like qualities. You behave in that way. You are not overactive. एकदम casual attitude भी नहीं रखना है आपको, right? And एकदम shell में भी नहीं चला जाना है. So maintain संयम, middle path as advocated by Gautam Buddha. That is the best path. You be cautious, and very important is always be alert what is happening around you, right? 11th point is a very basic point, but I have seen students mess up with this. आपको OMRs fill करने हैं black pen से. So usually black pen ही carry कीजिए. Always keep a spare pen. You don't know what is going to happen on that day, right? And OMRs are only to be filled with black pens, right? 12th point is again a very minute point, but an important point. You need to decide on what clothes you are going to wear for the 25th of May prelims. Why? Because you need to be comfortable while solving the paper. So please, you can say, wear clothes in which you feel comfortable. Because of clothes, because of pen, because of some technical things, you don't want your mind to be diverted, right? These things might affect your performance on the day of examination. Last 3 to 4 days we are continuously having rainfall, right? So your clothes should keep into consideration these factors also, right? You need to carry umbrella if necessary. You will be always safe. So please keep these things in mind. This all small things are going to make a big impact in your performance, my friends. 13th is a very important point. OMR is going to decide your result. So please fill in your details, especially your roll number, very very properly on the OMR. देखो 0 कहाँ पे है, 1 कहाँ पे है. आपने 0 लिख दिया ऊपर, right, in digits, और नीचे आपने पहले ही OMR पे गोल कर दिया. देखो 0 कहाँ पे है. 0 अगर ऊपर है तो ऊपर करना है, नीचे है तो नीचे करना है आपको. तो एकदम आपको कॉशियस होके ये आपका OMR भरना है. ऑल्सो OMR भरते वक्त आपका जो क्वेश्चन बुकलेट आएगा, आपके पास सीरीज आएगा A, B या सी या डी का भी सीरीज हो सकता है। तो आपका जो सीरीज है वो आपको वहां पे प्रॉपरली फिल करना है, राइट। सो प्लीज फिल योर OMRs प्रॉपरली एंड आफ्टर OMR जो आपको एक स्कैनेबल अटेंडेंस आता है वो भी अच्छे से आप भर लो, राइट। देखना क्या पूछा है स्कैनेबल अटेंडेंस में। रोल नंबर्स आर नॉट आस्क्ड इन स्कैनेबल अटेंडेंस, राइट। सो एग्जैक्टली क्या पूछा है वो हिसाब से आप स्कैनेबल अटेंडेंस भरो। अगर आपने स्कैनेबल अटेंडेंस अच्छे से भरा और OMR अच्छे से भरा तो आपका रिजल्ट यू कैन से प्रॉपरली आएगा, राइट। अगर आपने सब कुछ आंसर वगैरह अच्छे से दे दिया बट इफ यू हैव मेड मिस्टेक्स इन OMR देन यू रिलाई अपॉन द generosity of UPSC. So don't do that. Be very cautious. आप ऑफिसर लेवल के लिए एग्जामिनेशन दे रहे हो, so your behavior should be of officer level, right? Now everything is set. You are sitting in the classroom. आपने OMR पहले अच्छे से भर लिया है, right? Now you are waiting for the question paper. Try to close your eyes. Have a control over your breathing. Deep breathing करो, right? Come in the moment. Motivate yourself, okay? And be completely calm. Once the GS paper comes, you have to solve the paper as per the cricketing ideology. जैसे बॉल आएगा वैसे बैटिंग करना है, जैसे पिच होगा वैसे रन बनेंगे. If you go with a target that in 20 overs I am going to score 200 runs, every time it is not possible, my friends. So no targets. The best approach about UPSC examination is go with the open mindset, right? Don't have rigidity. Yes, you need to solve around 80 and 80 plus questions, but don't have rigidity, right? कि मेरे को इतने ही मार्क्स आने चाहिए, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. पेपर वुड ऑलवेज यू कैन से चेंज. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी फॉर्मेट ऑफ द पेपर. जैसे पेपर आएगा वैसे सॉल्व करना है. डिफिकल्ट पेपर आया तो डिफिकल्ट आ सकता है, इजी आया तो इजी आ सकता है. नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस विद द पेपर इज द बेस्ट अप्रोच. हु आर वी टू जज द पेपर? वी आर नथिंग. एक बार ऑफिसर बन गए फिर जज करेंगे. अभी जैसे आ रहा है पेपर वैसे सॉल्व करना है. दैट्स इट. The 15th point is very important. Once you are done with the GS, plan your इंटरवल वेरी वेरी प्रॉपरली. आपका पेपर खत्म हो रहा है 11:30 बजे. आपका नेक्स्ट पेपर है 2:30 to 4:30 CSAT का. तो आपको टाइम मिल रहा है 3 घंटे का, विच इज अ ह्यूज टाइम पीरियड टू मैनेज. यू कैन हैव अ लाइट लंच, राइट. If you are used to power nap, I used to be used to power nap. कहीं तो you can say I would try to have this power nap. If not power nap is possible, I don't get a space. I would just close my eyes, rest a little bit, at least 10-15 minutes, so that my brain is rejuvenated because I need every part of my brain for that CSAT paper, right? So in this interval it is very important that you don't go into this GS का कट ऑफ क्या होगा, कौन सा क्वेश्चन रही है, गलत है, because all this is going to take your energy. Just remain cool, calm, composed, Dhoni like, right? And you can say try to think about the CSAT paper. क्या हो जाता है कि अगर GS पेपर डिस्कशन किया, कोई आंसर गलत आ गया, राइट, कट ऑफ आपको लग रहा है कि हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, then that might affect your CSAT performance, which should not be the case, right? So don't overthink, don't discuss GS paper, just you can say remain cool, calm, composed. That is the message. Once you go and sit for your CSAT, again do the same ritual. Go, concentrate, fill the OMRs properly, right? Wait for the question paper, right? Do breathing exercises, complete concentration on CSAT. CSAT, my message to you is try to solve one first question to 80 questions. So what happens? You solve 3-4 बेसिक न्यूमरसी क्वेश्चंस, राइट. इसमें से अगर 5 पहले बेसिक न्यूमरसी क्वेश्चंस है, आपको पता है कौन से सॉल्व कर सकते हो, कौन से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो. फिर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन आया समझो, तो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पूरा आपका फ्रेश माइंड होगा बिकॉज यू आर रीडिंग द पैसेज इन अ फ्रेश वे. आपने 5-6 क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के सॉल्व कर दिए, फिर रीजनिंग आ गया. सो एवरी टाइम योर ब्रेन वुड बी अलर्ट. यू जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड विच क्वेश्चन टू सॉल्व, विच क्वेश्चन टू नॉट टू सॉल्व, राइट. ये स्ट्रेटेजी से क्या होगा, आपका ब्रेन अलर्ट रहेगा, फ्रेश रहेगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू रीड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू 80th, राइट. नहीं तो क्या हो जाता है, बच्चे सिर्फ मैं पैसेज करूंगा, सिर्फ मैं बेसिक न्यूमरसी करूंगा, सिर्फ मैं रीजनिंग करूंगा, रीजनिंग ही डिफिकल्ट आ गया तो उसमें टाइम चला गया, तो आपने पैसेज ठीक से पढ़ ही नहीं पाए, बेसिक न्यूमरसी ठीक से कर ही नहीं पाए. डोंट गो विथ presumptions. Don't go with a strategy that I am only going to solve this. नहीं, जैसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे वैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे. Remember this, right? अगर आपको प्रेशर आ रहा है, सबको प्रेशर आ रहा है. It is just the person who is going to handle this pressure in the most professional way, in an officer like way. That person is going to deserve to clear this examination. अगर आपने लास्ट के 6 महीने 1 साल भरपूर मेहनत किया है यूपीएससी पढ़ाई के लिए, you have put in the hours, then go with that belief that I deserve to clear this examination. If anybody sitting on this bench would clear this examination in this hall, it is going to be me. Why? बिकॉज आई डिजर्व. अगर वो फीलिंग आ गया आपको कि यू आर गोइंग टू डिजर्व टू क्लियर दिस एग्जामिनेशन, यू विल डू इट. आपको कितने मार्क्स अभी तक मॉक्स में आए कोई लेना देना नहीं है. उस दिन का कॉन्फिडेंस, उस दिन का परफॉर्मेंस is all that matters. How you batted in the net practice is zero. How you performed in the main match makes you the hero. So best of luck. If you've got any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.